OpenAI just introduced the ability to buy products directly inside ChatGPT. This is the thing we've all known has been coming for a long time, I think. This and advertising, which you know has got to be right on the heels of this announcement. But previously, ChatGPT, just kind of a dumb ping pong game of chatting and information. But now there's commerce, there's transaction, there's money flowing through the system in an agentic way. We're going to talk about this today, why it matters to you, whether you're in e-commerce or in advertising or digital marketing or just a consumer. This applies and impacts everyone. Hey, I'm Craig Hewitt. Welcome back to 100 Days of AI. Let's dive into the announcement and then let's buy some stuff on ChatGPT. Okay, here's the announcement from OpenAI. Buy it in ChatGPT, instant checkout in Agentic Commerce Protocol. Okay, so instant checkout is available only right now on Etsy, but coming to Shopify soon, which will open the door to millions of stores, right? So they're doing this through the Agentic Commerce Protocol. And so what the heck is the Agentic Commerce Protocol? It is a standard, a protocol, much like MCP. We talked about Model Context Protocol previously, which is this kind of universal connection language between models and agents and tools, right? So they can speak the same language without having to custom code integrations together, right? It's a standard way for computer systems to talk. OpenAI has done this for commerce, right? And so they're saying, hey, users take these actions, ChatGPT does this thing, and then merchants and payment processors, and they're partnering with Stripe here. Stripe is the payment processor that basically runs the internet. All of Shopify's stuff runs through Stripe. My business runs through Stripe. Every time you check out on the internet, you got a 90+% chance that that payment on your credit card is running through Stripe, and they take a small percentage fee that gets cut off the top from the vendor, right? But this instant checkout and agentic commerce protocol is a universal kind of mapping and assignment language that tells store developers how they can interface with ChatGPT to allow for transactions to happen on the platform. So why is this a big deal? It's a big deal because right after this happens, there's going to be ads. Think about Google, right? Google was just search, 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 and then AdWords and AdSense came out. And it launched, one of the biggest companies in the world. And we've all been thinking, how is ChatGPT really going to make money? How is Anthropic really going to make money? Sure enough, this is how they're going to make money. They're going to have products on there, and you as an e-commerce provider or a person that sells stuff on Etsy or a service provider are going to be able to bid to get into a recommended spot. 100% guaranteed that's what's going to happen. So here in ChatGPT, we're going to have a prompt that says, I want to go buy something. Okay, so I want to buy a custom coffee maker filter, like one of these cone things. It should be less than $100 and it should be from Etsy. So let's see what it can come up with here. And I said from Etsy because the shopping experience today is a little different on Etsy than from other stores. And this is kind of what's coming, is when this agentic commerce protocol and the integration with ChatGPT and OpenAI and Shopify and other stores come, that's what you're going to see. Right now, it's only available on Etsy. Okay, so we have 3 options from Etsy. And if we click on one of them, you can see, so I'm going to get this little coffee maker thing. It's really cool. I love it. I'm going to probably buy this medium size, and I just want to buy it. It pops up a little window here in the middle of my screen and says, do you want to buy this? I have Apple Pay, I have Google Pay, and I have American Express, already here. And I can just click a button and buy this thing. And it has my address probably loaded already because I'm logged into Google. That's how easy it's going to be to buy things. It already is this easy on Etsy, and it's going to be this easy everywhere. So these are Etsy examples, right? So you come over here and you just say this. And to be honest, I don't know why we can't buy this one right from here, but we could buy this one. Let's see how this one does. So this is the experience you would get with most other non-Etsy stores today. Let's put in something else. Okay, I want to buy a swing set for my kids under $300 made of cedar. This is something that we won't buy on Etsy, so I'll show you now what the off-platform shopping experiences, but that it will look like the Etsy one soon, okay? So whether you're a swing set manufacturer or an internet marketing person, or you run a bunch of AdWords right now, you sure as heck better understand where the ball is going with this, because this is how most people are going to buy things going forward. And so I want you to be ready so we know and can be where the future is headed, because this is one of the biggest shifts in consumer behavior I've ever seen, right? This is as big as the internet and as big of a paradigm shift as the internet was for kind of everything that we do and how we work and how we buy things, right? So Amazon is probably looking at this and saying, holy crap, how can we get into this? How can we participate in some of this? How can we pay to place our products here as well? And so it's not just going to third-party kind of random sites. Gracious. So it's taken a really long time to find a swing set for me. That's kind of crazy. I just want a swing set. Okay, cool. So these are different options. Oh, cool. So it has an Etsy one. That's cool. So we can buy this one just like before, but we can also just click here and see, okay, Eastern Jungle Gym, that's cool. Or this one from Wayfair. So, oh, this one's cool. So it has this same brand in 3 different places. Cool. In the future, sure enough, you'll be able to buy from each of these places right from here. 100% you'll be able to. Right now, it's like, okay, I'm going to go to Lowe's.com and check out and buy this thing. And that's cool. Like that's pretty good, right? We're in the early days of AI still, but 100% what's going to happen is that same listing is just going to have a big old buy button right here. And that's what's going to happen. And so you can hover over instant checkout and say, instant checkout helps you order from merchants in ChatGPT. Merchants pay a fee when you buy, but it's free for you. Pretty amazing, right? So what's the TLDR here? TLDR is if you sell stuff, which is most of us, right? Most of us are selling something. You want to think about how you can show up here and how you can let people buy or contact your service or do some kind of business action from ChatGPT. This is huge. I think this is cementing a theory I have, which is there's going to be lanes that each of these AI platforms go in. ChatGPT and OpenAI are going to be consumer apps, things like commerce. Google is going to be for work. Anthropic is going to be for coding. Meta is going to be for social. And Grok, I don't really know where it's going to go. But you can imagine like these each are going to have their lanes where they specialize in, because it's a land grab right now. OpenAI has the most money to spend. And so I think they're going to win in these mass market things. That's just kind of how business goes. Okay. So this is a huge deal. I wanted to share this with you as soon as I could. It came out yesterday. I hope you enjoy. If you're enjoying, please subscribe and like, and tell a friend about 100 Days of AI so they can get awesome value like this too. I'm Craig Hewitt. We'll see you tomorrow.